Convert string to enum in Python. What's the correct way to convert a string to a corresponding instance of an enum subclass? Seems like get a tree enum type, str, does the job, but I'm not sure if it's safe enough. As an example, suppose I have an enum like. Given the string debug, how can I get build type.debug as a result?
This functionality is already built into Enum. The member names are case sensitive, so if user input is being converted you need to make sure case matches.
Another alternative, especially useful if your strings don't map one-to-one to your enum cases, is to add a static method to your enum, for example. Then you can do question_type equals question_type dot from _str single select.
My Java-like solution to the problem. Hope it helps someone.
Or do you need to convert string to known enum? Or
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.